Hello everyone and welcome back to another In the Kitchen recipe. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make Crockpot hot dog chili. This recipe reminds me of my grandmother's chili. The biggest reason I came across this recipe was I was tired of buying canned hot dog chili. This recipe is so easy. I will never purchase hot dog chili in a can again. It's amazing. So let's get started. You're going to need mustard, ketchup, coarse ground beef, brown sugar, some mild chili seasoning mix, garlic powder, tomato sauce, salt and pepper. You're also going to need Worcestershire sauce. This is a fairly simple recipe, easy to achieve, easy to put together, and of course we're going to use our crock pot. You need 1 pound of ground beef. Brown this up in your skillet and drain the excess fat. I always spray my crock pot with non-stick spray. Put the ground beef in the crock pot. Now once you have that, I'm going to add all of our other ingredients. You're going to need salt and pepper. Next up, add your chili seasoning mix. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of chili mix, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. You're also going to add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 2 tablespoons of ketchup. You're going to need a half a teaspoon of brown sugar. If you want it to be a little bit sweeter, maybe add more, but this recipe, I followed these exact instructions. It turned out amazing. 8 ounces of tomato sauce. You can add more or less depending on how soupy you want this chili or how thick you want this chili. I just done the 8 ounces and it was perfect. And now that I have all the ingredients added to my crock pot, I'm going to mix all of this together. After mixing the ingredients, put a lid on it. Once it's in the crock pot, you can cook this on low for 3 to 4 hours or high for 1.5 to 2 hours. I cooked mine on low, stirring occasionally. Here we are 3.5 hours later. The chili is piping hot. It is done. It smells amazing. I think this is a perfect chili recipe for hot dogs or chili buns. It was so yummy. It tasted just like my grandmother's recipe. This was so good. I'm definitely going to be making this recipe again. The twang with the tomatoes and the mustard in it, all the flavors combined, just perfect symphony of flavor for your hot dog. I loved this recipe. It was so yummy. I did cook up some hot dogs, have some buns, ketchup and mustard on the side. For whatever topping you want on your hot dogs, we just do ketchup or mustard. Cheese would have been really good, but the chili was so good. I personally thought it didn't really need anything else but maybe a little dab of mustard on it. This recipe was so good. Definitely don't sleep on this one if you like hot dogs and chili. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I hope that you will try the recipe out for yourselves. I thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more In the Kitchen recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional recipe links.